Try this again. Oh, damn. It's been a while. When you don't put autofocus on, you're What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, and we can get into that in another video, because today I've got some really cool cases from the folks over at Spigen, and they're going to be launching an Indiegogo campaign to sell these. So more on that in a minute. Let's take a look at these cases. Showing them in the box does not help you at all. Let's get them out right now. Okay, I hope that turned out as cool as I thought it did. But here are the cases. These things look so cool in person. We've got a couple shiny ones here, a nice matte finish, but an ode to the original iMac, which came out 20 years ago. This is a 10th anniversary case for the 10th anniversary iPhone. So a little bit confusing there. If you see 10th anniversary, it's not for the iMac, it's for the iPhone 10, obviously. But this is 20 years since the iMac has come out. Those old CRT screens that they had with the colors on the back, an ode to that. Very, very cool looking. I love the matte finish of the blue one here, or bluish green. Hardcore green here, very shiny, much like the red one. But the attention to detail in the cases here is very, very cool. And I'll show this to you guys. This is a three-piece construction, by the way. You got the silicone in the middle with some very good drop protection, and which has come to known from Spigen themselves. And you do have a window on the back, and this is covered to protect your iPhone logo on the back of your device. And two pieces that slide over it. Now, the case itself looking like the inside of the computer. And on the inside, you can see there, says hello again for the anniversary of the iMac. But on the back, you can see there, very cool design cues taken from the iMac or the inside of the computer. These 5 cases all go on the same. You can put it in together all one piece, or you can take the silicone piece, slide this piece on behind it, and it will slide in there, and you just kind of snap it on, or you can snap it on. And you take the bottom piece and you slide that in. There is a groove around the edge there, and that does snap into place. And there you go. I think that looks absolutely awesome. I don't think you can go wrong with the design cues on that if you're nostalgic like myself, loving the original iMac. But there it is, making the phone look a little like the original iPhone, which I really like. I think it looks really cool. And they've got these 5 colors and the 10th anniversary edition to the original iPhone available. Like I said earlier, on the Indiegogo campaign. I'm not sure if this is something that they're going to think about bringing to the site, but I did take a quick peek at the site before it went live. And they're going to be offering a big pack of these, I think for like 50, 60 bucks, something like that, early bird special, so go there now. And just a different kinds of way to contribute to make these, and you get these awesome cases as well. Link in the description. You got to check it out. I want to thank the folks over at Spigen for sending these out to me for review. And real quick, let me show you this one with the classic look on it. It's a little bit different than these 5. And I must say, these are a little bit of a bear to get off, which is good. You don't want it to fall off, but it is a little bit of a pain, as you can see there. And you can simply click this piece out to get it off the phone itself. The classic case is a little bit different. It is just a 2-piece, and the buttons are covered on the silicone themselves, unlike the silicones on these that are open, so you don't want to do this first because it will not go in, or you'll end up breaking your case. So what you do is you put this all on one piece together, and you slide the phone in, and it will click on, and boom, there you go. There it is. Now it's on. Looking like the original iPhone, you know, absolutely awesome. Again, the silicone piece here is, you know, all part of the case itself. Great fit in the hand. I absolutely love the way that this looks, making it look like the original iPhone. Very, very cool brush metal effect on that. Good drop protection, and, you know, just an all-around cool-looking case. So I want to thank the folks over at Spigen for sending these out to me for review. Very, very cool. Check out the link down below in the description for the Indiegogo campaign. Get yours if you want these as soon as you can. They've got some great deals. Check them out. Very cool. I might get some more of these just to have them if they're not going to sell them anymore. So very, very neat. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Of course, if you're stopping by for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Till the next video, thank you guys so much.